Good morning, everyone. How are you doing? And welcome to this morning's Positive EFT. So if you're around, come in and let me know that you're joining me. And if you're watching on the replay, you are equally as welcome. So for those of you who are new to the group, my name is Yvonne and I'm an EFT practitioner and personal development coach. And I help people like you and me who struggle with confidence to believe in themselves. And one of the ways I do that is through EFT. EFT stands for Emotional Freedom Technique, or is otherwise known as tapping. So when we tap on the acupressure points on the upper body, what we do is we reduce the stress response, and that helps us to regulate our emotions and to get rid of the crap. And good morning, Kira. It allows us to get rid of the crap, and it allows us to create space for lovely new positive stuff. Okay, so how I introduce people to EFT is through positive affirmations. And what I do is I come on here every morning and I pull 3 cards from 3 positive affirmations. 2 are positive affirmations and 1's a gratitude card. And then we tap in that affirmation and it sets us up nicely for the day. Okay, so if it's your first time, good morning, Clara. Don't worry, I'll guide you through. So just do as I do and say as I say. Okay. So the first card that I pulled this morning is from Louise Hayes Heart Thoughts. Good morning, Margaret. How are you? And it says, I follow the path of right action. Okay, and on the back of it, it says, I choose my thoughts to be in alignment with all that is for my highest good and greatest joy. All is well in my world. So that's a nice one. I follow the path of right direction. Really nice card. Okay, and the second one is from the Miracles Now deck. Beautiful deck, lovely colours. Okay, these are inspirational affirmations. Good morning, Sharon. And it says, it's a beautiful colour, look. It says, I am not the victim, I am the lighthouse. And that's so true. So your story, you're the light that brings people forward. Okay, really, I love that card. That's one of my favourite cards, actually. I think it's beautiful because it's so true. Not a victim, you're the lighthouse. I'm going to show people how to get past it. And the final card is from the gratitude deck, and that is, the roots of all goodness lie in the soil of appreciation for goodness. Okay, that's lovely. It's a lovely sunflower on that. It's really nice. Okay, so they're the cards for today. Really nice message, really positive. So choose the path of right direction. I'm not the victim, I'm the lighthouse. And the root of all goodness lie in the soil of appreciation for goodness. So, yeah, gratitude. We can't have enough gratitude for the things we have. Okay, so whenever you're ready, we're going to start. So we're going to ground ourselves first. So remove your footwear if you can. Place both feet on the ground and feel that lovely cold. And allow that cold to bring you out of your head and into the now. Okay, and connect with yourself and see how you're feeling today. Check in with yourself and ask yourself, how am I feeling today? What's going on for me? Do a quick body scan. Release any tension that's hanging around in your shoulders or your neck, your jaw. Just reduce it. Okay. And then acknowledge how you're feeling. And as we tap, I want you to keep that in your head, okay? About how you're feeling. Okay, now we're going to take 3 deep heart breaths. So place your dominant hand over your heart, followed by your other hand. And whenever you're ready, take a deep breath in. And breathe out. Take another deep breath in. And breathe out. And one more deep breath in. And breathe out. And then whenever you're ready, we're going to take 2 fingers and, taking full responsibility for our own well-being, we're going to gently tap in the affirmation cards. Okay, so we're going to start in the eyebrow point. Repeat after me, either in your head or out loud. I follow the path of right direction. Side of the eye. I choose my thoughts to be in alignment. Under the eye. With all that is for my highest good and greatest joy. Under the nose. All is well in my world. Under the mouth. I am not the victim. Collarbones. I am the lighthouse. Under the arm. The root of all goodness lies in the soil of appreciation. Top of the head for goodness. Back to the eyebrow. I follow the path of right action. Side of the eye. I choose my thoughts to be in alignment. Under the eye. With all that is for my highest good and greatest joy. Under the nose. All is well in my world. Under the mouth. I am not the victim. Collarbones. I am the lighthouse. Under the arm. The root of all goodness lies in the soil of appreciation. Top of the head for goodness. Then we're going to finish off with a round of relaxing and releasing. Back to the eyebrow. Relaxing and releasing. Side of the eye. Relaxing and releasing any resistance. Under the eye. Relaxing and releasing any resistance to these affirmations today. Under the nose. Relaxing, releasing and letting go. Take a deep breath in on that. And breathe out. Under the mouth, relaxing, releasing and letting go of any negativity that creeps into my mind today. Collarbones, relaxing and releasing and letting go. Under the arm, relaxing, releasing and letting go of any negativity because it serves me no purpose, it just keeps me stuck. And I don't want to be stuck. Top of the head, feeling grounded, feeling safe, feeling positive as I go about my day. Back to the eyebrow, or back to the, finish off with our intuition, and so it is. Gently stop tapping, take a deep breath in, and breathe out. Good morning, Jeanette. Good morning, Anne-Marie. Good morning, Sylvia. Okay. And then whenever you're ready, I want you to put in the comments, and so it is. And as you do that, I want you to visualize sending your bolt of positivity out into the world, out into the universe, out to anyone who needs it today. And I want you to include yourself in that intention. Okay, so how was that? That's a really nice message. For those of you who came on at the end, hello Kate. The cards were: I follow the path of right action. I am not a victim. I am the lighthouse. And the root of all goodness lies in the soil of appreciation for goodness. So really lovely cards. Really, really lovely cards. Lovely message. So in other words, you're on the right path, you're in the right place, you're not the victim, you're the lighthouse, so you're going to show people the way, and you are the root of all goodness, lies in the soil of appreciation. So the more we appreciate, the more we receive. Love your chain. Thank you, Sharon. I got that in the Giant's Causeway on Saturday. Isn't it amazing? It's a crystal behind the Giant's Causeway. Look, you can see the things. I love it. It's class. Love it, love it, love it. So thank you. Yeah, so really lovely message to start off our week. Really, really nice. So the link to our meditation is in the post. There's also a link to join the Academy. Only 10 more days, and then 9 more days, and then it's closed until maybe the new year. Okay, so if you're sitting on the fence, if you want to join the academy, now's the time to do it. It's beautiful. May take a trip. Oh, it's so worth it. It is the most gorgeous place. It's worth travelling up to. The walk is beautiful, and standing on the causeway. Oh my God, it's so surreal. It's like, because you grow up with those stories. Do you know what I mean? Well, I definitely did, and it's amazing. I just sat and I did a video actually for the female warriors, and yeah, it's really cool. I felt like I would feel a connection with Celtic civilization anyway, because I studied it, and yeah, that's where the female warrior name came from, because I always feel, right, when the shit hits the fan, it's time to pull out the female warrior. So yeah, so it's cool. Really, really beautiful up there. Jeanette, you'll watch the replay, no problem. Okay, so that's it from me. Anybody who wants to join the female warriors, there is a post at the top of the group, and it's all about releasing overwhelm. It gives you an insight to what we do when we go do a deep dive EFT session. And the female warrior kit, there's so much in it, and we have a gorgeous group. They're flowing in over the weekend, so it's really, really good. Yeah, so we're going to have great fun in there. Female Warriors is going to be a place of great fun. We're going to pull out our inner warrior and take on the world. Yeah, it's going to be amazing. So, and it's a once-off payment. I think people were confused. Was it a monthly thing? It's not. It's just a once-off of 37, and for that you get like 6 amazing masterclasses, and you get a live masterclass every month. Okay, which is also included. You have relations in Galway, so worth it. Oh yeah, I swear to God, I love that part of the country. But yeah, absolutely. Okay, so that's it from me today, guys. Have a fantabulous weekend, and I will see you all again tomorrow. Bye for now.